What's the meaning of annihilation? Annihilation. 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 Annihilation.
Annihilation refers to the complete destruction or obliteration of something. The result is the total elimination of the object, concept, or entity, leaving nothing behind. Annihilation is often associated with catastrophic events such as nuclear explosions, pandemics, or natural disasters. It can also refer to the process of destroying something through a deliberate or systematic approach. The consequences of annihilation are significant and long-lasting, often creating a void that can be difficult to fill. Ultimately, annihilation represents the most extreme form of ending, rendering everything to nothingness.